And welcome back to the program. I'm your host, Dave Tibbles.
And I'm Sven Benderson.
And looking at what we've got here today.
Yeah, an aggressive box tilt right from the front from the bad boy of unboxing. This is Gary Azul.
An excellent competitor, going with the twisty-turvy right out of the gate. I mean, really, truly a madman of the sport.
He's an aggressive player. You see, he started with and it's a Nintendo Switch controller.
I love Squirtle. Isn't that that's one Squirtle?
Yeah, that one I believe is Squirtle. Now I'm Mudkip. That's my guy.
Okay. And we are getting the product onto the scale. Wow.
It's a lot heavier than you expect.
It is a little surprising.
It's a dense game.
Fact. Okay, and now that we're getting to...
Oh my God, they're towing my car. Hang on.
Okay, so a little peek into the product through the window there. It's a controversial move,
Oh my God.
though technically allowed
Hey,
in this league.
Hey, it's mine, okay? It's
Okay,
mine.
one,
All right? I'll
two,
move it, okay?
and
If you
here
need me
comes
to, I'll
the
move
third three tape
No, it
cuts
doesn't matter if you've already
on
got
the exterior of the
No,
box.
I'm standing right here.
He
It's
did
my
those
car.
pretty
I've got the keys.
cleanly.
I will pull
We'll
away.
see how this extraction goes, though.
No, absolutely
Oh, that
not.
was smooth
No,
as
no,
butter.
no,
You
no,
can
no,
tell
no,
he's been
there's
practicing
no way
in the
I'm
off
down
season,
with you to your
giving a
whatever
nice
place of
display.
business.
He's going to
Just to unhook my
unfold
car.
the brochure.
It's mine.
Now,
I'm
a
right
lot of
here. Yeah.
our competitors will
It's
forget
my
to do that,
96
and you
Nissan Tercel.
sometimes will get pinged, sometimes
Okay.
you won't. Oh, but then the
seriously.
Velcro
No,
snaps
I'm
back.
just not gonna
That
do it.
is
I'm
going
gonna
to
stand
be a
right here.
deduction.
I
You
don't care
hate to
if
see
you're
it.
okay? I'm standing
He
right here.
lost focus there. He pulled
Pulled
the product out by the joystick. It's a sensitive maneuver.
Okay, I am hosting
You
this
hate
show.
to see it.
All right?
Now
I
the
am going to be
cord
calling your supervisor the moment I'm done.
is
guys.
clean. We have clean entry on the
Okay?
cord.
Put it down. Unhook it. Unhook it. Now. I will not ask again. You people are such a pain in
For more content like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and we'll hopefully see you next time.